I do not fight anybody who don't fight me.
Simon Ekpa is already filled with the spirit of what's called freedom fighting. And so you should stay clear and not fight the man that has received what is called the grace or received the power or the spirit of freedom. Don't fight that man. Fighting that man will destroy your life. It may even cost you what you will never, you and your generation may continue to suffer it. So I am not here to begin to, follow anybody or side anybody. I am here to throw the light of what I am seeing in the spirit, because the spiritual always controls the physical. And when I'm giving the message that's called the spiritual message, I pass it raw the way it is. So Simon Ekpa is a man that has already been filled and also possessed fully with the spirit of freedom. And spirit of freedom is not the kind of spirit that you joke with.
We are going to open the chapter of Barrister Ejiofor. For many of you who may not know what have happened and how Barrister Ejiofor has been the tools of the Fūlæni. The continued detention of Mazi Simon Ekpa, Barrister Ejiofor is directly influencing it. And today you are going to know some of the things that will shock you. Some of you do not understand that Barrister Ejiofor is the DOS. Immediately Mazi Simon Ekpa was kidnapped, he became the DOS a hearing. So we have destroyed the chaff outside, and now it is time to uproot him. I come with a four and noble. And everything I'm going to say here today, if I lie, everything Barrister Ejiofor have done, let it work against me. But if everything I'm going to do here today about Barrister Ejiofor is truth, I'm nothing but the truth. His downfall in Biafra struggle starts today. Problem will follow him from today till Mazi Simon Ekpa will remove the curse.
After the kidnap of Mazi Simon Ekpa, Mazi Simon Ekpa gave order. I want Biafrans to understand the evil that Barrister Ejiofor has done. That Simon Ekpa should pilot the affair of Biafra struggle until he comes out. Barrister Ejiofor came out and vowed that over his dead body will he see Simon Ekpa pilot the affair of. Now ask yourself, is Barrister Ejiofor part of IPOB? Is Barrister Ejiofor an IPOB member, or is Ejiofor a Biafra agitator? Barrister Ejiofor vowed and swear that over his dead body will he allow Simon Ekpa to pilot the affair of Biafra. Barrister Ejiofor accused Mazi Simon Ekpa that he has mental problem, that the way they tortured him in Kenya affected his brain. That is where the war started in IPOB. Barrister Ejiofor swing into action, summoned all the DOS, not all of them. He informed the Chike Dozier, he informed Chinasa, the Mohammed Abbas in Kuwait, that on no condition will they allow Simon Ekpa to pilot the affair of Biafra.
My thanks also go to my friend and also my client, Chike Dozier. He's a gentleman who also believes in us.
Because Barrister Ejiofor have ulterior motive that you are seeing today. He knows that if Simon Ekpa pilot the affair of Biafra, some of them who have collected money from the governors, who are rapporting with the politicians, who are now the agent of the government, the middlemen of the government, at the same time acting as lawyer of Mazi Simon Ekpa, will never be relevant. So in order for Barrister Ejiofor to control Biafra's struggle and destroy it, he summoned the DOS and told them that Onyendu said Simon Ekpa should take over. And he vowed that over his dead body should they allow Simon Ekpa. That was where the whole attack against Simon Ekpa started. You know, and let me tell you, all these things, I know it, and it didn't bother me. Because I did not come for self-aggrandizement and for selfish interest in Biafra struggle. Yet, I was still respecting Ejiofor for one reason. For the reason being that he was still parading himself as person who represents Mazi Simon Ekpa outside. But you know, the reason why I'm making this broadcast today is because he is gone. He's not relevant again. And I want to show to the Nigerian government that the reign of Ejiofor in Biafra struggle as legal person or whatever is ending from today. There is no Dibia that will reverse it.
Simon Ekpa, you are seeing, is a disciple of what's called freedom fighting, and the spirit of freedom has fully possessed him, and you can never separate him from that spirit. And he can never one day wake up and talk about any other thing rather than talking about freedom. And that is why most of the revelations you are seeing and most of the deep mysteries and deep things that is bringing out here and there is based on the spirit of freedom that is upon his life. So if you want to stop him, go first of all and remove the spirit of freedom out of it. So when you remove the spirit of freedom, then you can have a way. But if you cannot remove the spirit of freedom, you better join him and not fight him.
Barrister Ejiofor was behind all the attack against Simon Ekpa because he knows he can't control me. He knows he cannot collect the money he is collecting to control me. He knows he cannot get the influence he's getting from the politicians to control me. It is not possible. That is to show you that my only interest is to see that the legacy of Mazi Simon Ekpa, which Barrister Ejiofor has vowed to destroy, will never be achieved. He will never achieve that destruction. Barrister Ejiofor is the biggest enemy of Mazi Simon Ekpa in Biafra struggle. Every effort many people has made to bring more lawyers to Mazi Simon Ekpa, Ejiofor refused. Ejiofor fought all of them, including Mike Ezokobe. But Simon Ekpa will be your last bus stop before Biafra court. I am telling you the fact. This is not a joke. I will be your last bus stop. All of you combined together, I will be your last bus stop. And we have come to uproot the root of DOS, which is Barrister Ejiofor. Barrister Ejiofor paraded himself as a lawyer of Fūlæni. Meanwhile, he controlled the entire DOS because, you know, he has agreement with whoever in the southeast.
People that talk about freedom with empty mouth, they end up and they're carried by chaff. When the wind blows, they are carried away. People that talk about freedom, when something bright is given to them, they will just begin betray and go away. But people that are possessed with the spirit of freedom, with the spirit of Biafra land, no matter the bribe you give to them, they will never accept your bribe. They will never agree with you. If you like to bring, take the presidency of social country, they will never accept it from you. Except that freedom that has possessed them, that they are after. That is what they go about.
Every time Barrister Ejiofor we tell you, everybody should calm down. Everybody should calm down. While Mazi Simon Ekpa is dying. Now, I want you people to understand one thing. They say the court acquitted Mazi Simon Ekpa, released, discharged him, and Barrister Ejiofor is here now, swimming every day. Oh, yes, we are going to we are going to win. We are going to. Can you tell us how your women have released Mazi Simon Ekpa, even when there is a court judgment to release it? I don't know which court they are going to respect. I don't know which court the Fūlæni, who you know their intention and plan, are going to respect. So you see the reason that every Biafran who have suffered and sacrificed for many years must rise up now and forget what Ejiofor is doing. Ejiofor has sold out. Ejiofor has compromised. Ejiofor is a threat to Mazi Simon Ekpa freedom. Ejiofor is not just a threat to Mazi Simon Ekpa freedom. Ejiofor is a threat to Biafra.
And you can hear them loud and clear. They are asking Buhari to release Mazi Simon Ekpa. They are telling Buhari to obey God's order.